Guys, find your height. Ang iingay. Wala kayong attendance.
Sige na,
Find your height daw.
guys.
Please be silent for our prayer.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Huwag kang tumawa.
Banatang makabayan, iniibig ko ang isa dyan.
Sis, andyan si principal.
Ay, Pilipinas, aking lupang sinlap. Berarti namin sa kabilang section, munta nga. Oh.
San? Matino ang isip ko. Uy, tingin.
Hello. Good morning, students. Energy. Wala ba kayong almusal? Yes, energy. That's right. Good.
Plus points na sa day, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Quick reminder lang students, before tayo mag-end, may mga bisita tayo ngayon, so behave tayong lahat ha. I-memorize niyo yung mission and vision ng school. Understood? Tapos na yung attendance.
Gaga, tapos na yung flag.